if we're looking at how people are forecasting AI in the business world and its impact, I really like what PwC did, and they presented this at the National Retail Federation in January, where they talked about innovation being at a tipping point. If you think about innovation and AI innovation in terms of exponential growth, you can see that there are several factors that are causing this growth. There are more breakthroughs in the last 3 years than in the last 70. So you can look at things like the speed of innovation, our ability to use 6 times the power of compute to be able to enable near unhuman predictive capabilities. We can look at the maturity of technology, and now we can look at compute power, which is 60 billion teraflops per US dollar. So the cost of data is coming down, and yet the urgency of adoption is rising. So if you look at some of the facts that we can pull out of this, Gen AI hit 60% household adoption in 2023, and we are slightly lagging in corporate adoption, but I'll show you a little bit more about that. Goldman Sachs has quoted that generative AI will increase global GDP about 7% in the next 10 years. That's about $7 trillion in increase in global GDP. The investment of AI could peak at about 2.5 to 4% GDP. So that's $75 billion to $1.2 trillion. That is so large that it's roughly the GDP of Saudi Arabia.